Whether they have come, BSF could not detect it, CISF could not detect it. There's a fault on the part of the Home Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister. That is not the fault of anyone. अरे आप तो सुनिए सर, आप इतना बात बोल रहे हैं, अभी तो मिजोरम में क्या किया? मिजोरम में क्या किया? मिजोरम में they have given, the power has been given. होम डिपार्टमेंट ने मिजोरम को, गवर्नमेंट को परमिट कर दिया, जो बाहर से आते हैं उसको एंट्री करो. Why? What is the reason? Is the Mizoram state is a favored child of the Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji? And Bengal mein, if someone speaks Bengali in Delhi, at Delhi, she or he would be arrested. And you have seen that Supreme Court order. पहले उनको ले आओ, उसका बाद विचार होगा. Has been compelled to सोनाली बीबी को ले आना पड़ा, उसका बाद विचार होगा. देश से तुम सब बंगाली लोग को निकाल देंगे रोहिंग्या बोल के. और रोहिंग्या कहां आ रहा है? रोहिंग्या आ रहा है मिजोरम में. रोहिंग्या आ रहे हैं मिजोरम में अंडर द डायरेक्शंस ऑफ द होम मिनिस्ट्री. I know, I understand the problem. This BJP is basically a Bengali hater. Bengali hater. That is the reason. Vidyasagar statue is broken. That is the reason Ram Mohan Rai has been seriously criticized. And that is the reason our Honorable Prime Minister speaks Bankim Da. जब जन्म हुआ था बंकिम चट्टोपाध्याय का, मोदी जी का 3 जनरेशन का पहले उनको भी दादा बोल देते हैं. दादा बोल देता है. कभी कोई गुजराती को तो नहीं बोलता है दादा. वल्लभ भाई पटेल दा बोलते हैं. कभी बोला बंगाली को सिर्फ टू हेट बंगाल, हेट Bengalis. This is your work to be done, sir. I will be very quick in saying 3 or 4 points. 15 now? No, just give me 5 minutes. It is stated that the process has caused mass, but don't cut it from Shatabdi. Mass heist and suicide attempt due to SIR panic. Mother attempted suicide along with the child, other documentation fear. Hunger strike by Motua community. This Motua community, sir, do you know what is happening? One BJP MOS sitting in West Bengal is giving the citizenship certificate. Can you imagine? Motua ko? But the central government is not arresting that minister. This certificate will be given under the Citizenship Act, not by any otherwise. Sir, in my area, in my constituency, Motua never cast vote to me. I am telling you. This time, when SIR is going on, in my one of the area, Domju Jagadishpur, huge Motua came to me and said that our names would not be there. And don't worry, I am here. Mamata Banerjee is here. We'll see in political fight and also in the Supreme Court. Sir, BLO linked with the SIR. BLO, Wi-Fi is not available in the village, remote village. And you are saying that they have to work. Even in the Panchayat office, now Election Commission is not allowing the BLOs to function from there where the Wi-Fi is available. Sir, BSF exercises quasi-judicial authority. Who will be the citizen of this country? Sir, lack of proper adjudicatory procedure. Residents of the border districts experience constant fear of non-citizenship. I have spoken about only the BLOs. I have not spoken about the voters. Illegal pushback practice. When the SIR has commenced, all of a sudden they have rising to push back the foreigners. Sir, thank you. At least you have tolerated me this time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Walk up, you have not tolerated me. This time you have tolerated. I am grateful to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.